How to get the adjacent accuracy scores for a multi-class classification problem in Python. I want to calculate the average percentage hit rate of the true class and the adjacent classes and implement it in my cross-validation. The regular accuracy would result in 16, 67. The first prediction is the only one that's true. However, I would like to get the adjacent accuracy, which would be 66, 67% in this case. The three first predictions are correct, together with the last one. The formula would be like this: adjacent accuracy formula, where pi stands for the total number of samples classified as class I, G is the total number of classes, equals here 9, and N is the total number of samples. I have already looked at this other question, but it isn't particularly helpful since I would like to incorporate this scoring measure into a cross-validate function. This is my current code. This is what I would ideally like to end up with. Thanks in advance.
I actually wrote a question on cross-validated a few months ago on how to express adjacent accuracy mathematically, and after some thinking I answered it with a formula that's a bit simpler than the one you gave. You'll unfortunately have to follow the link to see it. Stack Overflow doesn't support math typesetting. This formula can be implemented fairly easily if we convert y_true and y_pred into NumPy arrays. I included the simpler calculation for precise accuracy to help make the adjacent accuracy easier to understand by comparison. In the precise accuracy, we simply count the number of predictions that equal the true value and normalize by the number of predictions. y_pred equals y_true is an array of true and false, and the summation simply counts the number of true values. In the adjacent accuracy, we instead count the number of predictions whose class distance np.abs y_pred, y_true, to the true value is no more than 1. I think the function you want can be implemented like this.
Moi,